Prime factors. So I want to talk a little bit about prime factors because you're going to be asked to reduce to lowest terms, or you're going to hear simplify your answer. So it's good if you understand what prime factors are. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to use it all the time, but if the number is small enough, prime factors is the way you want to go. The 5 smallest prime factors is 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. And I'll start with those first. So let's talk just a little bit about prime numbers. It is a number that's divisible or a product of itself and 1. So for example, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1, well, it's 4, but it's also 2 times 2, so that is a composite. It's not prime. So this is what we call prime numbers. So I wanted to give you some helpful hints whenever you want to simplify or you want to reduce to the lowest terms, whichever wording you want to go with, or that you read. Just make sure to read it and understand your question carefully. So helpful hints. One, if the number is even, try 2. See if it's a product or divisible by 2. See if you can reduce it by 2. If that doesn't work, or if the sum of the number is divisible or a product of 3. Divisible means divide, quotient. Products, multiplication by 3. We're going to try 3. So, example. 12. Well, the sum of 12 is 1 plus 2, which is 3, and it's definitely a product of 3 or divisible by 3, right? So we'd try 3. If the number ends in a 5 or 0, try 5. If 2, 3, and 5 doesn't work, try 7. And so on. There are infinite many prime numbers. So I always start with the smallest. Sometimes the number's too big to use the prime factors because it could take you a long time. And we're going to do some examples in my next video.